What's up guys, welcome back. You might have seen me from my top 5 first mods to do to your Fiesta ST, but now we're going to hit you with the top 5 things that I hate the most about my Fiesta ST. Let's get into it. Number 1, this thing rubs like a... I'm not really complaining because it's self-inflicted. Lowered, wide body, 10-inch wide wheels. You gotta expect it. Well, I do hate it. That sounds so good. Let me preface this video by saying this car is not hated. Everyone that drives one of these things, they love it. Just for an example, some of the other videos like mine, here's what they said about hating the Fiesta ST. 5 things I hate about the Fiesta. I love this car though, that's the problem. So it took me a little bit to come up with this kind of stuff.
Well, I could make this the shortest video that I've ever made by just giving you a straight up answer and saying nothing 5 times in a row.
There's not a lot to hate about this car, and I totally agree with that. There is not a lot to hate about this car.
So as you can see, it's not an easy car to hate, but I am going to share my 4 more things with you guys. Definitely, any car has its flaws. Number 2 is the bolt pattern. The 4x108 bolt pattern absolutely sucks. And anyone that has this car will tell you the same. You cannot find any decent wheels for this thing that aren't, you know, the 1552 Tarmacs or the Integrales that a lot of people run on these cars. So it's kind of hard to be unique when just all the wheel options are, you know, pretty much the same, like monoblock generic wheel. You got the Sparkos, like I used to have on my car, those black ones that a lot of you guys remember. You know, to get my wheels, the SSRs that I have, you know, with -5 offset, 10-inch wide, you know, 7x17. Sorry, I had to dust a full. My wheels, they were 4x100 when I bought them, so I had to get them sent out to Cali. Little did I know I could have brought them to a guy here in Jersey. But I sent them out to Cali. To re-drill them was like $300. To ship them there and back was like $800. So it's kind of hard to find, you know, unique wheels. But yeah, the bolt pattern is kind of a pain in the butt on these cars. So that brings us to number 3, which is the cloth centers on these Recaro seats are so easy to stain. Why? I just want to know, why did Ford decide to make the center where your seat is, where you sit, it's cloth? But like, why? Can you just make this whole, the flat center just leather? You got the bolsterings here that are leather, you got the rest of this, well, this is cloth, but that's dumb too. The stains are on my seats. I literally, the other day, I got food and I didn't realize a French fry fell down in between my legs, and I sat on it and I squished it all into my seat. So a greasy, salty fry stain is now imprinted onto my driver's seat. On the left side I had food, because you get food, right, and you put it there. I mean, I guess maybe I should put it on the floor, I don't know. You get food and you put it on the passenger seat. And it's cloth, so it's stained the crap out of this seat. I got a big circle stinking stain on this seat. Like, why did you make the center of these seats cloth instead of leather? It would have been so much easier to clean. Just make the whole thing's leather. I think that's my biggest gripe about the interior. I think that moves us on to number 4. So the 4th thing that I hate about my Fiesta ST is there's rust on the trunk and there's rust inside my door. I don't know if anyone has the same issue. I think I've seen some people with the trunk issue, but inside the door here, as you can see, is rusting a little bit. And I don't know why. I guess from water kind of seeping into the cracks of the door there. And on the back, I guess it just sits down there and rusts away. I don't know. I know Ford's paint is kind of garbage. People have a lot of issues with them, with the paint kind of chipping on the front bumpers and whatnot, and other spots up on the side pillar, up on the top roof rail area. But really, like, why is it rusting? Why? Ford's been quiet. Jeez, guy. Come on now. People suck at driving here. Why is it rusting? That's all I want to know, Ford. We're gonna pause for a slight intermission. Alright guys, we are back at it. The fifth thing that I hate the most about my Fiesta ST, which is bumper sag. So you might be saying, what the heck is that? But I think others with Fiestas have the same issue. I just saw in one of the other guys' videos, top 5 worst things. He had the same problem, so that is most definitely the fifth most annoying thing about this car. It's probably my #1 least favorite thing. There's no order in these, but that's probably my least favorite. It looks so ugly. But the whole bumper sagging down, and I know that a lot of this stuff is self-inflicted because the front lip that I added probably doesn't help with the weight pulling down on the front of the bumper. So yes, that's probably my fault. But at the same time, the other guy did not have a big front lip like mine. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of bumps on the card right here. So it just, I think, is one of the problems with these cars. So those are my top 5 least favorite things about this car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think about this. It was a fun one to make, and I want to do more. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next with the Fiesta ST. The X47 full review is coming soon, so subscribe to stay up to date. I'm trying to hit 5,000 subs, so subscribe. Send it to your friends, send it to your family, send it to your buddies that have Fiestas, and hopefully they can enjoy the content as well. So thanks for supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.